is Sana. I am an immigrant and my parents came here about 20 years ago from India for a better quality of life for me and my family. But I'm still shocked today that healthcare is not a guaranteed right for people in America, and I know so many people who have gone into debt because they're uninsured or underinsured, they've lost employment during the pandemic or for some other reason, and they just cannot go to the doctor and get the care that they need. In the richest country in the world, I think that's absolutely ridiculous, which is why I'm here to urge Congresswoman Eshoo to co-sponsor Medicare for All so that we can finally guarantee healthcare as a human right in America.
Hi, my name is Connie and I'm here to support healthcare for all. It's important to have healthcare for everybody, not just for the rich. It needs to be for everybody. We need it in this pandemic, especially now that so many people need it and so many corporations and big business are fighting against it, but we need to have healthcare for all. So please support it. Thank you so much.
We are a gentle, angry people, and we are singing for our lives. We are a gentle, angry people, and we are singing for our lives. A land of many colors. We are a land of many colors, and we are singing for our lives. We are a land of many colors, and we are singing for our lives.
My name is Antonio Mora. My health care coverage is okay. I retired from Alameda County Public Works. My kids and grandkids have terrible health coverage. My son, when he was working, had a $500 deductible on a lot of the things that the coverage that he had. And now he hasn't worked for a year and a half. And now, because he really has no money, he's on Medi-Cal, and he has better coverage when he could have just had that all the time and stayed instead of paying so much out of pocket. My granddaughter worked just at like a round table and made minimum wages, and when she was working, the amount of hours depended whether she had coverage or not. It went month to month. 1 month she made too much to have coverage, so she was able to be on Medicare. When she worked more hours, she had no coverage and she had to pay out of pocket, so she couldn't afford it, so she had no coverage half the time.
Hello, my name is Karen Damian. I live here in Palo Alto. I am a raging granny, and I believe in health care for everyone. I think it's a human right, and I think it is just a travesty, this healthcare system, or what they call a healthcare system in our country. And I would like to see single-payer healthcare and everyone have the right to decent healthcare. Thanks.
Best for us. We want Medicare for all. It's the best for us. We want Medicare for all. It's the best for us. Best for you. Best for me. Everyone. Woo! Low cost and accessible, not just for the rich. Low cost and accessible, not just for the rich. Low cost and accessible, not just for the rich. Best for you, best for me, everyone. One more verse. No more high insurance costs people can't afford. No more high insurance costs people can't afford. No more high insurance costs people can't afford. Best we want